Okay, just let me know if you can see the screen. Hey everyone, just let me know if you can see the screen, please.
So yes, we can see.
Thank you, Vishnu. Okay, so we can start, and please excuse me, I have sore throat today. Okay, so basically, this will be a class that is going to be from the very basic, and as we advance, we'll be moving to in a level where we'll be doing some projects related to data science, and at the end we'll try to see like how the ML models are being developed. If the time permits, we'll be doing like 3 to 4 models, and some at the last some basic project. So we have multiple YouTube videos out there, so I know you can always go and watch, but I'm thankful you have given your time here to study. So we'll start with the basic agenda that was shared into the WhatsApp group, and we'll stick to that only. So my name is Brijnandan Tripathi, and I'll be taking you through these 8 chapters. First, we'll be going for the introduction of the Python. Then second, we'll go for the Anaconda, Collab, or Jupyter. These are three notebooks that we'll be using to write our code. There are a few more, but I prefer these three because these are most widely used even in the companies. So we'll try to make this lecture as like as an easy step for you to like transit into the company sectors where you need not to learn few more things. Yeah, definitely you'll be learning more things, but let's keep it something that is more oriented towards the company environment. Then we'll be learning the third part as a building block of Python, then variables and data types. Then we'll be going with input and output formatting, operators and control flow. And excuse me, the seventh one is same as the building block of Python, but we'll have something extra into that. It is advanced after the first one. So this third chapter will have a little bit of thing, but seventh will be having more advanced knowledge to that. Then we'll have eighth one as the functions. Okay, so I am Brijnandan Tripathi, and I'm currently working as a data scientist. And before that, I was a research engineer in oil and energy sector. And data science was not my field. I transitioned from different sector, mechanical, that to in oil and gas field to this data science field. And I had done my master's from IIT Dhanbad, and my major project that I had done was related to artificial intelligence. I made an expert system using language clips that is based on TBM, that is tunnel boring machine. So we'll not be going into that. The reason I'm telling is because if somebody is here who has joined and is thinking, okay, I'm not from coding background, what is going to happen? So don't worry, I too was not from a coding background, and I knew, yeah, I knew a bit of coding because I was interested into it. But trust me, I have seen people who are completely new to this field doing pretty good into this data science field. So if you are from that category, having no knowledge of coding or anything, just don't worry. So we'll be starting soon. One last question. Is it good enough to continue in English, or if you want me to mix the language into Hindi and English, I'm comfortable enough. Whatever the part you choose, like if you want me to go completely into Hindi, end result should be that you are capable enough to understand the concept, and that is why you are investing your time here. So if you want, just let me know that you want to do it in this fashion. You can type your answers, it's okay. It's fine in English. Okay, sure, we'll go with the English then. So we'll be using Python language. You might have heard R or any other language also. Like many languages are there, but Python is being used at very large scale. There are two reasons. First, It is very easy. It is like plain English. So if you are thinking that how hard it is to learn Python, so don't worry. It is just plain English language and nothing more. Be it any computer language, C++, C, Java. Okay, don't worry. Every computer language is completely based on the logic. So if you build up the logic, you will be able to code in any languages. So I'll try to help you building that logic. I have taught many people, like many students who are doing pretty good in coding now. I had students in Java, C++, and now I also teach Python. This is just part-time hobby. I'm not a professional one. Okay, so how to download this Python and how to do this? Okay, the first reason was it's very easy, and second reason is like we have multiple modules that will help you to make your programming much more easier. When I say module, I mean to say uh, I think everybody have seen this building blocks. Like if when you go and construct some wall, what you do is you put different bricks and put some mortar and combine it to make a complete wall. Similarly, Python is a one single tool which you can club with different languages or different libraries to make your program much more better, in the sense of performance or in the sense of productivity. So if you are worrying about where to download Python, you can just go to the Google and click, uh, either follow this particular link or just go to Google and just type Python, and you will be redirected to this page, and the first particular link you can just click it, and here you get the download option. You can download it. So here's the latest version. You can just click and download this. Okay, so I'll not be going into how to download and all those things because there are plenty videos which are easily available, and it's very easy process. So don't worry, just click on that and click run. It will you'll be able to run that thing. So this is the language, and if you want to code and write your scripts or your programs, so you can download Anaconda. You can download Anaconda. So this is where it will give you like leverage to write your code. This is compatible with R and Python as well. So this is platform where you can work. There are many more, like PyCharm is also there, but I prefer these two. Now I'll show you one another thing you might have heard of, Jupyter, right? So this is where exactly we'll be writing our code. Okay, so you need not to install this separately. As you install Anaconda, you'll be able to get the Jupyter inside that. So you need not to worry about the Jupyter is already installed into the Anaconda version. So you just have to download Anaconda and you can go with the Jupyter. This is most widely used in the companies as well. And if you do not want to download, you can just go to this link, and we have Jupyter web based platform also, like Jupyter Lab is there. Okay, on web basis, like directly on your browser you can write the code. So don't get stuck into that. We'll be using this particular feature, Google's product, that is Colab. What you have to do is go to Google and type Colab. This is where we'll be writing all the codes and thing. Okay, you just click Google Colab, and you can click here new notebook, and you will get something like this. Okay, so let me explain this particular tab that you're seeing here. So here is the code window which you can open to write code, and the shortcut to open that is Control M plus B.